What's up, guys? My name is Daniel. I'm the owner of Premium Auto Styling. Welcome to our shop. What do we do here? We have fun and we wrap cars. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. Welcome to the channel. If you guys are new, thank you guys for subscribing. We got a ton of new subscribers recently, so we're super thankful for that. Our channel is based around our business here. We do a lot of vehicle wraps. We hang out. We got a lot of cool stuff going on, and we try to show you guys everything we do, including opening mail. I'm gonna open this up because I know who sent this to us, and we're super appreciative of it. And it's something that could benefit you guys if you guys are wrapping cars. So today, the wrap glove, the official wrap glove, sent us a package. And may not be much to you guys who don't wrap cars, but if you are wrapping cars, you go through gloves like crazy like us. We go through gloves like crazy. You go cut back to some of the clips, you can see my freaking finger hanging out of half of them because we rip through these gloves all the time. The wrap glove, I don't know, it's the first time I'm using it, but supposedly it's really, really good. Feels durable, super psyched on it. Check out the tag. Let's find out. We'll kind of give you guys updates on this. So if you guys are wrapping cars, we always try to do our best to give you insights on what we see happening. And I'm excited about the wrap glove, so I'll keep saying it. Thank you guys for sending it to us. We appreciate it. And we will keep the YouTube subscribers updated on if we like this thing or not. I'm sure we will, though. I think I know why Mitch is gonna like these. So the wrap glove has multiple sizes. And we order gloves all the time. I ordered the little baby gloves because I got small hands. But Mitchy here got a big ass hand. So they sent you a big glove, the big boy glove.
What up?
Yeah.
Damn.
That's quite a few, right?
That's a lot.
Yeah. Think. First impressions, are they soft?
They're nice.
They're nice?
They feel thicker than the original ones that we normally
We'll
use.
start wrapping. Let's see if we blow through them in a couple minutes here.
All right, let's do it.
Thanks, Wrap Glove.
Yeah, don't go, I just can't come close.
Deadass.
That shit, bro.
What's up with that word? Is that real? Like, do cool kids say that? Just him. Just dope. He's always like, that ass. The way he says it, too. It's funny, right? Sorry, Anthony. I'm roasting you over here.
We hate this guy.
Nobody knows who Dope is. Like, we used to call Anthony Dope. Instagram used to be f***ing dope when he thought he was cool. He turned into f***ing whack.
In the state of my mind now, know a lot of rookies coming over for the title.
It's a hard ass bumper. It's a Varus kit, so it has crazy ass lips on it. So what we're doing is we're wrapping this whole lower portion first, and then the face of it kind of gets.
Trying to work here, bro.
We're trying to steal the show, Mitchy. Yeah. Who's your least favorite?
Can you eat this part
It's
really
gonna be me. It's gonna be me.
Can you eat this part really
Like a Russian with the spice, we just go no, you just can't come close. Got it for the low, waited for the 6, but it's going slow-mo. Yeah, don't go, you just can't come close. I'm looking for the loco. No, I don't wanna postpone. Yeah, whip it.
But the bumper's almost done. We had to do it like the smiley face part first. So we did that whole section first. I'm still going in and trimming out all of this stuff here, and then we're gonna lay this panel in. So it'll be done in 2 separate panels, but that's in order to accommodate the aggressive bends that are right here. You know, what some people may do is try to do this all in one piece, push all this in here. Might look good for a couple days, but usually ends up popping up. So we're gonna do it. This guy, I get rolling, I start talking, I'm on a roll on my coffee rant, and then the kids back there dancing. So yeah, next panel will go all right here. We'll lay all that in, and it should look.
You told you, look at that. Look at you guys.
I called him last night and
Told
we're gonna
you.
wear this. We're going to B-Dub. B-Dub.
B-Dub?
We're going to
Pick
B-Dub.
up the flow, paying no dues in my city no more. I got plenty more to say about the topic, the way I profit. I just went into the store and then I bought it. Yeah, you know, got it for the very low. All them new additions I've been putting on the payroll. All this, I get emotional just thinking about it. Last week I won the poker with my drinking buddies. All this money.
I got this dude trying to talk over me back here, trying to steal my
Daniel
clout.
thinks he's a vlogger, and he's really not. He's just fake. It's all hype. They don't really. I'm gonna go left right here.
This is what happens when Jefe drives his Uber. We take detours and
Bro, I'm the best Uber.
how powerful his car is.
I'm the best Uber driver in the world. What are you looking at? I'll cuss you out, lady. I swear to God, I'll turn the hood on you. Yo, roll down the window. Excuse me. Excuse me. You want to shout out your Instagram? We're famous as Hold on, because I really don't like breaking. Oh my God! Oh my God! Please stop! Please stop! Thank you guys for riding my Uber. damn, look at my phone overheated. What? Get my fucking mixtape, homie.
I'll be the best Uber driver in the world.
Most FRS BRZ bumpers, they have a really hard angle here. So what you can do is try to stretch this in place. It'll become super discolored, start to bubble up over time. So what we do, there's a nice hidden seam on the upside of this. So when we're laying, this goes down with no tension and meets up that line right there, and you'll never see the seam. Shout out Rap Glove for these sick rap gloves. It's the official rap glove of Rap Glove.
By Rap Glove.
By Rap Glove.
Super dope technology that Rap Glove by Rap Glove built into these rap gloves is that they pretty much make it wrap itself. So just check it out. Now, next step, what you gotta do is you gotta
Okay, so we're going into the media room and we're gonna be shooting a podcast. I'm gonna film a little bit so I can show you guys, but it's an audio podcast. The audio podcast is called All Wrapped Up. And I was fortunate enough to be invited on it and talk a little bit about my upcoming in the industry and the things that I went through and the struggles that we've had. And it should be a cool conversation. You know, I'm curious to see what questions they ask, and let's get in there and do it. They've been setting up for the last hour trying to get it ready, but I'm excited. Let's see where this goes.
We have Daniel Sanchez from Premium Auto Styling. How are you doing, Danny?
I'm good, man. Thanks
Good.
for having me on. I'm excited about this.
What's in it for Premium for 2018? You got any big plans?
2018, definitely a lot more content. I'm really enjoying content. When I first talked to you, I even mentioned that I wanted to do a podcast. Okay, brother. Take care. We'll talk soon. All right, bye.
bam!
Oh my god, you got it.
You got it. Bam! All right, so I
Yeah.
just parked my car next to the car, the BRZ that we just finished up. So between two colors, this one's Deep Space, has more aqua blue colors to it, while mine has more of a blue-red, copper-looking color on here. Another thing that we noticed between these two colors is, well, this one's 3M and this one's Avery. And that 3M color, Deep Space, does have some flakes in it, which is pretty cool.
What's up, bud?
What's up, dude?
Good, good.
How are you?
How you liking the boost?
Dude, it's amazing. It's crazy.
Thanks, man.
Yeah.
Good? Yep. What's up, guys? My name is Evan from Throttle, and this is my newly boosted E36 M3. So I actually just finished it like last week, and this is the furthest I've driven the car, and it made it here in one piece. So I'm super excited about that. I'll go ahead and pop the hood and show you.
Sorry, man,
There it
it's
is. There it is. The snail. So you can see it's literally touching the hood. It's too big. So it's got low compression head gasket, ARP head studs. It's a CX Racing GT35R kit. Has DW fuel injectors, DW fuel pump, clutch masters, clutch and light and flywheel. A new aftermarket radiator from CX Racing. That's pretty much it. It's pretty simple. Should be around 400 horsepower, 11 to 12 PSI right now.
Shawty love to bounce with it. All that hating that I hear, I tell him bounce with it.
What up, bro? How are you, dude?
Good, man. How are you guys on like some kind of cool livery and maybe getting a couple cars done like in a kind of similar maybe throttle color type stuff down the road. So, but the thing that I wanted to talk to you specifically about is if you guys wanted to get involved and do some kind of thing where Throttle VIPs get X% off your e-commerce stuff.
There was 3 on the list, or 25,000. I'm down to try it out.
Okay.
You know, so I'm in.
So like when you're a VIP, you basically get like a digital membership card essentially.
Nice.
When you go to like an installer, you can be like, hey, I'm a VIP, whatever.
Right.
You know, typically a cheap car is probably gonna have bad paint. So it'd be something where we'd come to you and like do a full, you know, full coverage on that, full promotion for you guys. Yeah, that's what I want to do in the next 2 months.
You know, in regards to premium, I want to hop on. You know, like I said, I'm down for whatever. If you want to give away a wrap, let's do it. Evan's picking a color.
This is gonna be
wrap.
way too hard. Oh my
Days, 'cause it's
god.
money that I crave. I just preach a better ways. Like grind to the grave, never be no slave. Early to the money, why you think I'm always late?
Bam! All right, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. We appreciate the support. ton of new subscribers. So thank you guys to the new subscribers, and much thanks and much love to the old subscribers. We love you guys. Don't forget about the 200,000 subscriber giveaway. We're giving away car wrap at 200,000 subscribers, and it seems like it's approaching quicker and quicker and quicker every single day. So if you want to get involved with that giveaway, I'll explain it real quick. How it works is we are going to go visit you. One of our subscribers, we're going to go to wherever you are on the planet. I don't care where it's at. At 200K, we select a winner from our subscribers, and we'll come visit you and wrap your car in your garage, in your mom's garage, wherever we need to do it. We've done it once before at 100K. So at 200K, car wrap giveaway. Enough of that. Thank you guys so much for the support. Hope you're enjoying the more regular and consistent uploads. We're doing our best to bring more content to you guys, and I'm really enjoying doing it. So thank you guys. Thanks for giving us the opportunity to do this. I love doing these vlogs. I love showing you guys what's going on in the shop, and just kind of enjoying this. I know myself and the crew are loving doing the vlogs for you guys. So thank you guys. We'll see you guys in the next vlog.
Bounce with it, bounce with it, bounce with it, bounce with it, bounce with it. If you hear him trying to hate, just tell him bounce with it, bounce with it, bounce with it, bounce with it. If you hear him trying to hate.